everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video we will learn how to generate random numbers in Excel between a starting value and an ending value. Okay, so for this purpose Excel provides a function named RANDBETWEEN. So when you type RANDB, Excel will predict the function RANDBETWEEN. Then you can double click on this function or press the tab key on your keyboard. This will complete the name of this function in Excel cell and start an opening bracket. Now this particular function will take in two values, the starting value and the ending value between which you want to generate the random number. So I'm specifying the starting value as 20 and the ending value as 30. So try to specify the starting value which is lower than the ending value, and then you can press enter. So as you have seen, Excel has generated a random number which is 25, and this number satisfies the condition that it lies between 20 and 30. Now if you want to duplicate this number by creating multiple numbers between the range 20 to 30, but you want all of them to be random numbers. Okay, so basically if you want to generate 5 or 10 or any number of random numbers between a specific range, then what do you have to do? You need not write this RANDBETWEEN formula every time. You can create the first random number by using the formula. Then you can bring your mouse cursor towards the right bottom of the cell and hold this cell and drag it down to the number of cells where you want to generate more number of random numbers between the range 20 to 30. So as you have seen, the Excel function has created more number of random numbers. These are 6 random numbers between the range 20 to 30. Okay, now you must take care that every time you generate a new number, all the random numbers that are generated in this sheet will eventually change. Okay, but they will always satisfy the criteria that they lie between the lower bound and the upper bound that we have specified, and these random numbers can be one of the lower bound and upper bound values. So we specified the lower bound value as 20 and the higher upper bound value as 30. So Excel has generated two random values which are 30, which is equal to the upper bound. Now if I want to generate a random number between another range, let's say between 50 to 100, then let's see how we have to do this. So I again select the RANDBETWEEN function. I type in my lower bound which is 50 and the upper bound which is 100, and I press enter. Now as I drag down this cell, please notice that all these cell values have also changed and Excel has generated new random numbers between 50 to 100, and every time I press on one cell and click enter, its value can also change. Okay, so this was all about this video of random number generation in Excel. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video, mind your exam.